On this backdrop, when the evidence of PW11, the medical officer is seen that at 9 a.m. itself, the doctor examined PW2 on the requisition of SHO Rural, who was accompanied by police constable who was PW14 stop. There is no question of PW1 registering the FIR. PW14 also admitted that even by the time they reached the hospital, MLA was stated to have come to the hospital and the legal advisors were also found in the hospital stop. A compromise relating to shares in the suit property was entered into between the plaintiff appellants and the predecessors in interest of the defendant in the respondents stop. The plaintiffs filed a suit for declaration that they were in possession as owner of share and in joint possession of half of the share of the land along with the respondents, and the entries in the revenue record of rights should be corrected stop. The trial court dismissed the suit accepting the defendant's plea that the suit having been filed after 18 years of the compromise, was barred by limitation in view of the Article 58 of the Schedule to the Limitation Act, 1963, whereunder the suit have been filed within 3 years of the compromise stop. The plaintiffs having remained unsuccessful in the first appeal as also in the second appeal, filed the appeal stop. In the instant case, the right to sue accrued when a clear and unequivocal threat to infringe that right by the defendants was given, as they refused to admit the claim of the appellants, only 7 days before filing of the suit stop. Therefore, as noted in paragraph 16 of the plaint, the suit was filed within 3 years from the date of infringement and, as such, the suit cannot be held to be barred by limitation stop. The courts below, including the High Court, had proceeded entirely on a wrong footing, that the cause of action arose on the date of entering into the compromise and therefore the suit was barred by limitation whether or not the compromise decree was acted upon and whether delivery of a possession had taken place has to be decided by the trial court before it could come to a proper conclusion that the suit was barred by limitation The question of filing the suit before the right accrued to the plaintiffs by compromise could not arise.